Yes, my lovely people. Me want to tell you about a Jamaica youth. Where they are Jamaica suffer like dog. And he meet a lovely Canadian nurse lady. Right? And this woman ya give him a bus and him reach a Canada. And within the space of 1 year, that boy they right back at Jamaica suffer. You hear me I say? And me go break down the story for my people. You have this youth of Jamaica. Yeah? In their Jamaica, nothing now go on for him. Them have a 2-bedroom place living at. The conditions they not proper. Him live there with his mother. Right? And 2 smaller siblings. No daddy no did there. Him and merely the breadwinner. For him thing, most of the time, is going on the beach and do little hustling. You hear me I say? Going on the beach, doing little hustling, selling little craft, do this, sometimes him sell fruits, but him do him little juggling on the beach. Sell tourists, they sell tourists that sell anybody on the beach, anything. Sell him little spliff, sell him little everything. Cause him have to do him little juggling. He meet this Canadian nurse lady. Lovely lady. Right? At first when he meet the lady, it was nothing about David relationship or nothing like that. Because the lady was coming out of a divorce. The lady come out of a divorce, so the lady ain't a rushing or nothing. And the lady never did a look no relationship with nobody. So it start off no relationship. But the youth is kinda, you know how enough youth are do them thing already. It's not kinda like them one there with some man that call them rent a dread or nothing like that. It's a youth where you do him like a hustling on the beach. Right? And thing, meet the lady. Him and the lady talk good and so, them kind of little bit friendly. Carry the lady go here, carry the lady go there, make him know 1 and 2 little place in Jamaica. Anyway, them kind of get friendly. No there with nothing, no sex, nothing at all. Lady left Jamaica, back to Canada. Them talk on the phone, talk on the phone. After just over about say 8 to 9 months, the lady was back in Jamaica. And this is where all of the spark up now. Things start take a different turn. And it kind of start move to relationship level. Because them a talk for a while on the phone. This boy you know, him there Jamaica suffer you know. You know hear me good you know. When me talk about suffer, because remember, when you live in a certain place, and a busy place, liquor rent expensive, this expensive, that, and you are the breadwinner, you have to take care of mother and 2 siblings. And you know have no steady job. You can't go up on the beach and nothing no go on. Right? Boom. Lady come back now almost up 9 months. Come back. Things take a turn. Them start do them thing now, them ending up have sex, thing gone to a little relationship kind of level. The lady go away again. Right? And about 4 months time, the lady was back down in Jamaica. And this time around, in come to see the boy again, spend them little time, do what them a do, and then them decide say, engagement kind of something now. The youth did it after that. For about 2 years after that little engagement there. Because the lady then come back for about 2 years and then continue talking on phone. You hear me I say? But it come like the lady when I get something organized up. Because as me say, the lady when I come out of a divorce, so she in a rush down in a nothing. You understand when you meet the boy. So it come like the lady when you want to organize up certain things before you even take them big dive there in a no deep relationship, nothing. You see, after that 2 year people, when the lady come back, a married business. Married business. Fast forward a little bit now. In a no time the youth reach a Canada. Bearing in mind, this is a nurse lady. Hold down a nice little job. Very nice lady. The family them love her, everything. And at the time, it was not, I don't know, use nothing or them kind of something there. You get to me and say, I don't know, use nothing. Because the boy rate her and she rate him. So it's like a proper little relationship kind of thing. But people who don't hear this from me tell you no. You see enough man, they are suffering, you know. And a woman come from wherever them come from in the world. Right? Sometimes I'm buck up on this youth, them start off as friend, and things take a turn. And this person decides to help you. But some man tell them say them a tap on our gallus. And them hear about foreign and them go foreign go get frightened because them see all type of fly body gal walk up and down. You understand? And them a run down this and them a run down that and then get frightened in a foreign now. Right? And they meet somebody who mean them good. You hear me I tell you? You meet somebody who mean you're good, but you're going to the foreign country and get frightened when you go see all type of tall hair girl. You get frightened and you come like the real person who did it and check for you. You don't remember nothing, you turn idiot. The boy did it and in less than 1 year, me I tell you, this boy end up back right at Jamaica. The first thing the boy did it, and about after 2 months, the youth start work. And do him little thing. Do him little thing. Leading up to about 4 months, the next thing the youth start do, he start knock girl here, there, and everywhere on that style. Knock girl here, there, and everywhere. You hear me I say? The wife start figure out 2 little things, but him can't put them all together. But she knows there's something not right. Because the energy has changed from her and you can see the changes in the youth. Remember, you know, this is a youth where they are Jamaica, a suffer, you know, all along, you know. And you meet a lovely little lady. We check for you, name one relationship, just to come out of a divorce and all them something there. And the lady sacrificed all over almost 3 to 4 years. Because she come down there. After 9 months the first time, then she go back, and 4 months time she come back down there. And then she go back and almost 2 years again she down there again and married you. And in no time you're there Canada. But guess why man reach a Canada and go turn idiot. Idiot him reach a Canada and go turn. We don't know what the boy do. The worst thing where a man could have ever do to a woman, the boy go do. He meet the woman, friend them. And him no know say no foreign people quite friendly. And you can't take that friendliness as a wrong thing and think I like woman like you or woman want get into certain things with you. You hear me I say? And it so happened that this boy take the reading wrong. Because in his mind he might tell himself say my girl is. And every woman who look at him and smile and give him a nice pretty smile. Kill him dead and want them the woman they want him. Before you know you struggle. And you get a bus to go to Canada. Brother, just go to Canada, no, my lad. Do your little work, no, brother. Build up things with your little woman, no, because she says a nice woman and she mean you're good. Where you run down? Build up things with the little woman, no. Work, no, set up yourself and see if you can elevate yourself, no, because you know where you come from and the sufferation you got through. No, a girl you run down. And every woman where you see you think them want you through your Jamaican, all that kind of something there. The boy no do nothing more than take the reading wrong. And go put argument to the woman friend. I try look crutches. Me say the boy a try look crutches from the woman friend. Tell me if one man can be so fool. One man can be such an idiot. You gotta go see people with them friend. You don't know how far them a come from. You don't know how long they been friend. And next thing you go take reading wrong. And things you like friend like you have and want to take you away from your wife and sitting. You go put argument to woman. People, in less than a year, him the right back at Jamaica. Right back in the sufferation where a nice woman come meet him and help him to reach in Canada. Remember enough time a man go to Canada, them don't know nobody, you know. And it all depends upon where you end up to. Because sometimes you end up at some place, they nowhere near nobody. Sometimes they nowhere near no back of Jamaica, nothing at all. So brother, just go, brother, look how you suffer. Look how you suffer. A whole heap of youth, them thing you reach. Enough man, a woman check for them. No start off as a relationship. Woman just like them and sister probably them progressive and them a try and things go materialize and turn in a relationship. Woman give them a bus, them reach a foreign. Next thing you know, some of them all start look crutches for some of the woman them daughter. When the woman them have grown daughter. Them go to, sometimes them start make move for a sister. And all them sitting there. This a big old idiot you gonna make move for the woman friend. What would that make you think say the friend now go tell back friend? Why you think say that friend now go tell your wife? Because you take reading wrong and enough man tell themselves they are too much gallus. And at them think they mash up some man. And you see when you see people like them there who get an opportunity, get a blind and meet somebody real. Sometimes a man can meet a woman, we can't them go to a foreign country, go ill treat them, abuse them, neglect them, But sometimes you meet some nice, genuine people. We really check for you and care for you. And we say a top girl is and things every girl say want to know. And every fractal say you have to run back. You mash up on yourself. Now you do that, you end up right back at Jamaica from square one again. You think all man like me could see some man like them there and they beg me even a sweetie and get it? You're mad? You're mad, brother? When you go make foolish thing like them, they mash up your whole chance in life if you get a better life and do something better in your life. Eh? Just because you are run down crutches and some man claim to say them a top gallus. You there in a sufferation with your mother and your two little siblings them. And you get a little strength now from a nice lady. We should even run back in a relationship because she come out of divorce. But guess what? She work with you. Give you a chance. Bring you to Canada. Next thing you know, you end up back right at square one. At zero where you come from. Because of what? Because of what? Some of you tell you self say you have too much gallus. And you have too much general. Brother, I know every girl will look on you have to want, brother. Enough man don't know this, I know every girl will run in pan you have to run in pan, brother. Sometimes a girl rate you more when him say him can't get you. And she say you are no butu, you are no idiot. And you have to have respect, brother. Let me tell you one thing about life. You see anybody where you deal with, and this go for man and woman. You see when you meet somebody who really check for you. And when me say check for you, me mean really check for you. I want to see the betterment of your life. I want to see you grow and propel up the ladder. And that person is there by your side. Avoid by all means with that person. Don't be ungrateful to that person. Just try to be the realest version of yourself that you can. Because you see enough people like them, they were these people were always real and out there for them. Remember me tell you, you know always watch them and see them fall and suffer without no more help in sight. Believe me when me tell you that. 1J progress, my people. And me open to learn something from this. Especially the man them. Remember, good man, a 1J progress. We don't have to ask nobody nothing. Nobody have to tell you nothing. Because we already know how me go to work already. People, we know they far. 10K is in sight, my people. We in sight of 10K. And remember, the aim is to get to 10K by March. And we know we can do it. Believe when me tell you that.